Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I used Python, JavaScript, and PHP to help organizers automate printing QR codes for businesses at trade shows. So here's my SQL table. As you can see, I have 5 businesses. Practically, you can have more, but just for a demonstration. So now let's go to my code and turn on the command line. I'm going to go to the PDF from HTML generator, and in this folder you're going to see 2 bash scripts, which is pdf.sh and shot.sh. First, I'm going to run shot.sh to run the JavaScript file to screenshot web pages created with PHP. If you go to this folder and open images, you should see 5 images. So for some people, they prefer PDF files. You can run pdf.sh to convert these images to PDFs using Python. So if I go to my file explorer, go to my PDF folder, I should see 5 PDFs. Let's just pick one. Awesome. If you want to learn how to use these programs, check out my GitHub repo. It has detailed instructions and commands to help you get ready. Thank you for watching.